When doing these tasks, just do a little bit research on different expo vector icons. You understand? It's going to actually help you and go a whole lot, like a whole long way for you working so far in React. So when you are done with all this, normal thing, you go to your index, you import social media bar from at components, because like I said, it's inside the components folder and inside the social media bar file. So when you are done, same way, come here. After, like, if you want to use the step that I use, no wala, but you just come here and put your great less than social media bar space slash greater than, then it renders. You understand? Then the next is the custom button. Same way, you go to your component, create a custom button. You understand? Now I'm using pressable. Like, pressable is also button, but as I'm building a custom button now, I cannot be calling it button again inside. So you understand? Use pressable, give it an on press. First of all, like I said, when building a component that you want to accept props, in the sense that there are things that that component is going to accept, if it's a title, name, product, whatever, you come here, do interface custom button props. Like, it can be, like I said before, login button props. You understand? Just after you write this, you now declare the props. If it's title, if it's like, now this is a custom button, so there will obviously be action which is on press. You understand? So you just write this too. Then they export the form function, custom button, blah blah blah, title button. I'm passing in this, all I declared here. I'm passing it into here. You understand? Then the return statement, themed view, pressable, text, pressable. Like the pressable I'm importing from React, the text I'm importing from React Native, rather, not React. Pressable from React Native, text from React Native. You understand? So that's basically just it for this. I'm using themed view, like I said, because I have it here. If I don't have it, I'll use normal view to wrap all this. You understand? This is just a guide, so you can walk through it on your own and get it done. You get it? Just me explaining all we have done in class for people that like weren't following and all that. So when you are doing your own research and getting things done, you have a guide to actually understand what's going on. You get? So this is just me, like, keeping you guys up to speed, so that next class I don't want anyone left behind. Do your research, like, do your work, like, actually work on tasks and all that on your own, so you actually, like, get familiar with all these things. You understand? So after that, I go to my index.txs, normal thing, import the custom button from components, custom button, because it's in the components folder and all that. You understand? Then I go down, down, and I render it here. You get? That's just it. And now there is a title, just so you know, when rendering a component that has props, make sure after doing the less than sign, pasting the function space forward slash and greater than sign, you put those props, like you add the title, text button, on press, and give the function that's going to do when it on presses. You understand? The alerts, custom folder, and all that. You get? So that's for that. Then the next was the dynamic router, that you have to create a settings page. Now you go to your products, your components, and create a settings page.